So from what I can see from the camera, it actually looks a bit yellowish. What do you guys think? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna be trying out the new Rihanna concealers and her setting powder. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So I'm going to go ahead and try out this new Rihanna's concealer and setting powder. I'm going to give you guys all the details you need to know on how I got them, you know, here in the UK. If you want to see a tutorial on how I did my hair, definitely let me know in the comment section below. So now let's just get into the video. First of all, I'm going to quickly do my foundation and I'll be right back. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay foundation in Caramel 400. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation and I'll be right back. As you guys can see, I've done my foundation off camera and I've actually done my eye makeup. So this foundation came this morning. I ordered the foundation the other day. One of you actually asked me if I'm going to do a review on her new products, and by then I've already ordered this online. I ordered them online, so these colors are just going to be like, really took a big risk because I don't know where to actually go and buy these things here in the UK. If you do know where I can buy them, I can at least go physically and try them before buying them, please let me know. I bought it from the website Having Nicole's. So the concealers retail for about £19, and the loose powder was about 24 or 25 pounds. I can't remember. I'm going to write that in the description box below. I got the concealer in two colors. I got it in a darker color and in a lighter color to use as my highlight and my contour. So I'm going to try and, you know, I'm going to hope and pray and see that I just hope and pray that it's going to, you know, be what I want it to be. I'm looking for where they actually wrote the color. Okay, right here I have the color. So I got it in the color 445 and in color 390. This is the lighter one. Wow, the 390 is the lighter color, and then the 445 is supposed to be the darker one that I'll use to contour. But as you guys can see, it's not as dark as I would want it to be. You guys can see it's not dark at all. I was actually thinking it was gonna be really dark, but it's not dark. So I don't know if I'm gonna contour with it, but we're just gonna use it and see what happens. I'm gonna start with the one I'm gonna use to highlight, which is the color 390. Yeah, okay, it's the color 390, right? You know, from what I can see, it's almost the same color with my skin tone, but like it's just like my foundation color. It's just like my foundation color, honestly. I can see that this concealer is really thick. It's quite thick. It's like it's gonna give you a full coverage from what I can see right here. But sometimes it's good to go for something that is closer to your skin color than going for something that is like white. At least when you use something like this, it's going to give you a more natural look. So from what I can see from the camera, it actually looks a bit yellowish. What do you guys think? Or is it just me? Because I'm just looking at it right here. I think it looks yellow. But anyway, we're gonna blend it and hope that it fits. Maybe this is actually not the right color for me anyway. That's the thing, buying something online when you don't actually go there to test it and see for yourself, you know. But anyway, I'm not gonna say anything till I blend it and see how it actually looks on me. So that's the 390. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. I'm gonna make sure that my blender is wet. So we're gonna blend it right here and see what it's gonna look like. Oh, it's actually blending out really nice. Wow, you guys can see that it's actually blending out really nice. As if it's just blending out and, you know, sinking into my skin and giving me that natural look. Or am I the only one seeing it? I don't know. So you guys can see the way, wow, it actually looks very nice, honestly. I just applied it once. I didn't coat it twice. I'm okay with once anyway. I know that Rihanna never disappoints anyway. I'm not saying this because I love her anyway, but I'm just being honest. So you guys can see that it's actually giving me that natural glowy kind of sun-kissed look. Like, hey god, I love it. I won't lie to you, like seriously, I absolutely love it. And I said if I love this product, that means that's what I'm going to be using from now. Seriously, that's what I'm going to be buying, you know. So this is the highlighted concealer. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. I really like it. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and use this contour one. I know I made a mistake. It's obviously not as dark as I would want it to be, but I'm gonna use it like that. You guys can see it's as if it's my skin color. Oh my god, I would have gone for a darker one. It's almost my skin color. I don't know what to do, but you know what, I'm gonna apply it first of all, and I'm gonna blend it. After blending it, I'm gonna go in with my regular concealer, and then just, you know, go on with it. What can I do now? My regular concealer on it, and make sure I wet the foam. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it. Like I said, that this concealer is very easy to blend. You guys can see there's actually no difference because it actually looks like my skin tone. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my regular concealer, a darker shade. I'm gonna contour with it. I think that's what I'm gonna do because it's not coming off as anything right here. You can see. I wish I got in the darker color, honestly, because it obviously looks very nice, you know. So I've applied my regular contour concealer, and I've blended it. I'm just gonna go ahead. I did apply it on my nose anyway. This is just the same concealer right here I have on my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and try her translucent powder. So this is what it looks like, the translucent powder, and they have an extra this thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but that's what you use inside, I believe, right here. Maybe there's a problem with this one, you can put this one on. You know, Rihanna always comes out with a very beautiful package. I love this package right here. It's really nice. I'm looking at the honey right here. I think it's gonna be okay for my skin color. It actually looks like the one I currently highlight with, so put some right here. It has a very beautiful color to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the way I normally do it, I like to apply my highlighted powder, and as well go in with my contour powder as well. Then afterwards I just end up blending everything. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to go in with my contour powder. Wow, this is really blending out nicely. Really blending out so nice. So this is it blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and round up my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. So guys, as you guys can see, this is actually the final look. What do I think about the concealer? I absolutely love the concealer. Like I said earlier on, I'm gonna definitely look for a darker shade to buy so I can use that as my contour. But really I'm loving this concealer. So that's what it's gonna be for now, guys. If you guys like videos like this, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you. Bye.